Doraemon guys! Doraemon! Oh my God! Good afternoon guys. So we're currently on our way to SMX Convention Center at the Mall of Asia for the Asia Pop Comic Con 2016. So I'm fresh from shift. So we made it guys. We're currently here at the SMX Convention Center for the Asia Pop Comic Con 2016. Medyo naligo-ligo pa kami kanina na kuya.
Really raise the level on cosplay and
beneath it, forgive me for staring, forgive me for... Is it like the ocean of devotion?
Okay guys, so we have our tickets. I'm just waiting for the workshop by Sei Tiyoko and Doraemon meet and greet later. So nandito ako ngayon sa cosplay contest. And look at that. Mag-isa lang ako. So forever alone as always. So let's see kung ano pa mga meron dito later. Kasi lumabas na lang ako doon kasi naboboard ako. Gagawin ko ngayon, maghahanap na lang ako ng mga naka-costume sa labas. So ayun. Try natin kung ano mga meron sa kanila.
We don't talk anymore.
Do you think should I come in or what? Do you see that Doraemon? Oh my God. Kinarir guys. Amazing effort guys. Sana one time makapag-cosplay rin ako. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong character. I'm going to the workshop na with Sei. It's upstairs. So ayun, marami pa iba. Okay, so it's Sei Tiyoko guys. So she's one of the YouTubers or vloggers na talaga nag-influence sa akin to go for it. Na mag-start ako ng channel.
This is my model. Her name is Care. I already did her foundation, pero kasi...
Okay guys, so kinapalan ko talaga yung mukha ko. Nagtanong talaga ako kay Say and I got the lipstick from her. O, diba?
Okay, so kahit wala siya.
Guys,
Oh
featuring
my
Miss Say.
gosh! Hi, MA Vlog.
MA Buendia,
MA
HD.
Buendia HD.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you.
bongga.
Inspiration. Nag-vlog ako because
I
of
love
her.
it. I'll watch your vlogs. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Guys, Doraemon guys. Doraemon. Oh my God. Bongga guys, super. Super daming fans guys, look at that. Wala talaga akong pakialam. I mean, pumunta talaga ako sa harapan. So yun, super, the best. Hi there! So I just got home guys, nag-take na lang ako ng Grab. Hindi ko na na-end yung vlog kanina dun sa event kasi nalobat na yung phone ko right after ko makapagpa-picture kay Doraemon. So ayun, super cute. Doraemon and Friends, first time talaga yung buong group sila na na-meet ko. And then nakapagpa-picture din ako kay Say. She's one of the YouTube vloggers. Gumagawa siya ng mga makeup tutorials and mga vlogs. Super fan niya ako and ayun, super bait. You go ahead and follow her on Facebook. Meron siya doong Makeup by Say Tioco Artelero. And follow her or subscribe to her channel on YouTube, Say Tioco Artelero. I'll put the link in the description box. So super saya ko. And then first time ko tong umattend ng cosplay or Comic-Con and hindi ko alam na ganun pala siya ka ganda. Super pagod na. I'm gonna go ahead and edit the vlogs. Magpapalit pa akong damit. And yun, see you guys in my next video. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and please give it a thumbs up if you like it. So, bye! Thank you! Kaya wala kang love life, puyat ka kasi lagi. May kilala akong friend na sagana sa tulog pero hanggang ngayon walang love life. So,